Okay, so to uninstall the game, just long press, and then you're gonna get a pop-up that will look different depending on your operating system. So in my case, I have an Android, a Pixel phone. What I have to do is just drag it to the top of the screen on top of uninstall, and then just drop it, and I will get a confirmation pop-up, and I would have to tap OK, and that would be it. If you don't have it like that, you have something that might look like this. So just tap on uninstall. Now, if you have an iPhone, you will get a pop-up that looks like this. So just tap on remove app. Now, if for some reason you have an iPhone but you don't get the pop-up, just go to settings and then go to general, iPhone storage, then find your app in the list, tap on it, and then just tap on delete app, and that should be it. Now, I'm gonna give you another option if you have an Android and you don't see the uninstall option. So just go to settings, drag from the top of the screen, and then tap on settings, go to apps, and then find the app, tap on it, and then you have uninstall. Just press OK, and it's gonna get uninstalled, and yeah, that's it.